Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and the most merciful. Video lectures for final term for class 2, lecture number 5, subject English, from the book Oxford Reading Circle by Miss Ruhi Amir from Divisional Public School and Intermediate College, Lahore. Contents of today's lesson are recap of unit number 22, sentences, question answers, unit number 22, page number 135, exercise C, part 1, and homework. Instructions. Get ready, students. Concentrate on what is taught to you. Take out your books, stationery, and notebooks as we have to do some written work. Supervision of the parents or elder siblings is required. Before we start doing the exercise, let's have a short recap of unit number 22. A clever man called Jamil went on a long journey. Jamil एक लंबे सफर पर रवाना हुआ. As there were no vehicles, so he had to walk. During his journey, he thought of the greatness of God, sang and whistled. वो सीटियां बजाता, गाता, खुदा की अजमत को याद करता हुआ अपने सफर पर रवाना हुआ. Jamil sat under a walnut tree. He studied the walnuts, leaves and branches of the tree. He thought of the greatness of God. He said, God has made so many beautiful and useful things. उसने कहा कि अल्लाह ताला ने बहुत सारी खूबसूरत और इस्तेमाल की चीजें बनाई. Jamil observed there was nobody around and spoke aloud. उसने ऑब्जर्व किया कि उसके इर्द गिर्द कोई नहीं, तो वो ऊंची आवाज में बोला, God has made this wonderful walnut tree. The tree is so big, but the walnuts are so small. उसने कहा कि अल्लाह ताला ने कितना खूबसूरत अखरोट का दरख्त बनाया है, लेकिन ये दरख्त बहुत बड़ा है और वॉलनट्स बहुत छोटे हैं. Jamil saw the pumpkins growing on long thin vines. जमील ने कद्दू उगे हुए देखे लंबी बारीक बेलों पर. Jamil closed his eyes and thought he would have made the walnuts and pumpkins in a different way. जमील ने सोचा कि अगर वो बनाता तो वो वॉलनट्स और पम्पकिंस मुख्तलिफ तरीके से उगाता. Jamil was tired, so he slept. जमील थका हुआ था तो सो गया. In his dream, he saw pumpkins growing on the branches of the tree and walnuts growing on vines. उसने अपने ख्वाब में देखा कि कद्दू दरख्त की शाखों पर उगे हुए थे और अखरोट बेलों पर. Then a walnut fell on the top of Jamil's head. It was not hurting, so he began to dance with joy, saying, God be praised. अखरोट उसके सर पे लगा और उसको ज्यादा तकलीफ ना दी, तो वो खुशी से नाचने लगा और उसने कहा खुदा की तारीफ करनी चाहिए। A traveler passed by and asked Jamil that what was making him happy. एक मुसाफिर पास से गुजरा, उसने पूछा कि तुम इतने खुश क्यों हो और क्या तुम्हें इतना खुश कर रहा है? I thought it would be better if walnuts could grow on vines and pumpkins could grow on trees, replied Jamil. जमील ने कहा कि मैंने सोचा था कि वॉलनट्स वाइन्स पर होने चाहिए और पंपकिंस ट्रीज पर। जमील said, God is great, I was wrong. खुदा अजीम है, मैं गलत था। जमील said that he would have died if the pumpkins grew on the trees. जमील ने कहा कि वो मर चुका होता अगर pumpkins trees पर उगे होते। जमील never questioned God's work ever again. जमील ने कभी भी खुदा के किसी काम का सवाल नहीं किया। तो बच्चों, हमें भी चाहिए कि हम किसी भी खुदा की बनाई हुई चीज को क्वेश्चन ना करें, बल्कि शुक्र अदा करें जो कुछ भी हमें मिला। Now it's time to do the exercise, unit number 22. Sentences. Students, you know sentence is a group of words. Sentences always begin with capital letter and end in a full stop. I have typed few sample sentences for you. You can also make sentences of your own. The first word is heavy. Heavy means bhari. It is a heavy box. ये एक भारी बॉक्स है। Tired. Tired means थका हुआ। I'm very tired today. The third word is wonderful. Wonderful means हैरत अंगेज। I got a wonderful gift. मुझे एक हैरत अंगेज गिफ्ट मिला। The fourth word is angry. Angry means नाराज होना। He is angry with me. वो मेरे साथ नाराज है। Question answers, unit number 22. Now take out your notebooks and start writing questions and answers. Question number 1. Why was Jamil's journey taking a long time? जमील का सफर लंबा वक्त क्यों ले रहा था? His journey was taking a long time because there were no cars, buses or trains. He had to walk on his way. उसका सफर लंबा वक्त इसलिए ले रहा था क्योंकि वहां न कार्स थी, न बसेस, न ट्रेन, और उसको पैदल ही जाना पड़ा। Now question number 2. Why did Jamil sit under the walnut tree? जमील वॉलनट ट्री के नीचे क्यों बैठा? Jamil got tired, so he sat under the walnut tree to take rest. Question number 3. Why did Jamil think that pumpkins should grow on trees and walnuts should grow on vines? जमील ने क्यों सोचा कि पम्पकिन्स ट्रीज पर ग्रो करने चाहिए और वॉलनट्स बेलों पर? आंसर, जमील थॉट दैट पम्पकिन्स वर लार्ज। जमील ने सोचा कि पम्पकिन्स लार्ज हैं, बड़े हैं, सो दे शुड ग्रो ऑन ट्रीज एंड वॉलनट्स वर स्मॉल। वॉलनट्स छोटे थे, सो दे शुड ग्रो ऑन वाइन्स। Now open page number 135 of your books. Exercise C, Part 1, Words Meanings. Use words from the story to fill in the blanks. Students, you will find the words which will fill in the blanks from the story and tell me. On his dash, Jamil thought about the dash of God. Which words will come in the blanks? Yes, on his journey, Jamil thought about the greatness of God. The second sentence is Jamil sat under a dash tree. Which tree was it? Yes, it was a walnut tree. Dash has made so many things, said Jamil. Yes, who has made so many things? God has made so many things. Good. There were large dash growing on the dash in the field. Which word will come in the blanks? Yes, there were large pumpkins growing on the vines in the field. The traveler was dash at Jamil's funny dash. Yes, which words will fill? Okay, the traveler was surprised at Jamil's funny dance. It's time for homework. Learn and write question answers in your notebooks. Learn and write sentences in your notebooks. Learn and write exercise C part 1 page number 135 on your notebooks. Thank you, students. I hope you must have learned and understood what is taught to you. Stay home, stay safe. Wear your mask whenever you go outside your house. Allah Hafiz.